Yeah, so here we are on the banks of the Lake Severn in Armenia. Got a lovely little spot to park just here, and I'm going to do a little video on rooftop storage boxes. You can get like proprietary stuff, but they seem quite a lot of money for not a lot of storage space for me. So I wanted to get something a bit more capacity without spending a small fortune, and I came up with a good solution for that, which I shall show you now. Okay, so what you can see on the roof there are Plano Sportsman storage trunks. So each one's 102 litres. Yeah, so they've been up there for 2 years now, through all sorts of conditions, been whacked by branches and biblical rainstorms and all the rest of it, and they've just performed perfectly. They're not designed to be roof mounted, but I come up with a cunning solution for that, which I'll show you in a second. I've taken the padlocks off this one, but as you can see, they've got holes for padlocks. They've got latches on both sides, so nice and easy to remove, and then you've got complete access. So here's the box itself. I mean, like a lot of things, they're quite soft in reality, soft-sided, but once you get the lid on it and have it locked down, it's absolutely perfect. It's nice and rigid, you can sit on it, no problem whatsoever. The only adaptation I have made is, you probably can't see it, but in the rim there, I bought EPDM bead and put that all the way around just to make sure it didn't leak, which it hasn't. It's been very good so far. Everything inside has been bone dry. So they got, in terms of mounting, they've got little wheels at the back. So I think these are mainly used for soldiers to store their kit in, and they can pull it about. So there's a bit of a handle thing at the front. So these are all fine, but don't cause any issue. So in terms of mounting, you can see there I've got some aluminium bar, which I got from Screwfix, which I've used all over the place. That is a really useful material because it's nice and easy to bend, it's nice and easy to cut, it's nice and easy to drill. So what I've done is I've used stainless steel fixings. I've drilled through it, through the bar, through the plastic. So underneath I've used the same aluminium to make little loops to go around the roof rack bars. So then the bolts go through both sides of the loop, close it up, nylon washers so they don't work loose. There's another shot of the clips that I've made and used underneath. Yeah, easy peasy. They've been absolutely rock solid. Like I said, we've had stuff in it that's gone through all sorts, and nothing's ever got even remotely damp or damaged or anything like that. And they have taken a good old walloping. I mean, you can see I've scraped the name off the side of the front one. I mean, the back one's in much better nick, but they've taken everything we've thrown at it so far, and it has been quite considerable. So yeah, so that's it. That's my recommendation for roof storage. Fancy it, get yourself some Planos, save yourself some money, get yourself some greater storage capacity, which is all good stuff. Laters.